Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for March 3 to 9, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. At kung kayo ay may TikTok, follow nyo rin ako sa TikTok, Mr. Queen PH. And also sa Facebook na rin, Mr. Queen PH. Okay, Pisces. I think you're breaking a cycle. No? Meron kang i-break na cycle na alam mong paulit-ulit na lang. At alam mong wala itong idudulot ng mabuting bagay sa'yo. This can be your habits, unhealthy habits. You are breaking that cycle. Kasi alam mo na it's not favorable to you. This can be a toxic relationship, toxic situation, or generational curses. Yung parang generational trauma. Yan yung i-break mo na cycle. Your overall energy is temperance. So, ito ay healing, bringing balance into your life, focusing on your health, ano yung tama, ano yung makakabuti sa'yo, and releasing those that are no longer serving your highest good. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring yung mga bagay na ayaw mong i-let go pero hindi nakakabuti sa'yo, pero you're still holding on to it. Pwedeng ito ay talagang tanggalin sa'yo ng universe because hindi na talaga to makakabuti for you. Okay? Kasi parang tinutulungan ka ngayon na magsimula, ayusin, bigyan ng mas magandang direction yung situation mo ngayon. Your opportunity is the Queen of Pentacles. This can be an opportunity for finances mo. Sa finances mo, pwedeng may trabaho, may business. This is also resources. Marami kang kakayanan, marami kang kayang gawin, marami kang abilities, you have the resources that you need. Kumbaga yung mga tools na kailangan mo. Minsan kasi nagre-resist tayo sa pagbabago. Yung parang, ayoko kasi, hindi komportable. But eventually, you will undergo change. Pagdadaanan mo talaga yung pagbabago na yan. Your blessing is the 5 of Swords. So, if you are competing, kung may competition ka na sasalihan, mananalo ka. Or, I also see na merong marireveal dito na intention sa'yo ng isang tao na hindi maganda. So, it's like a blessing in disguise sa'yo na finally, nakita mo na yun. No? Nakita mo yung totoong intention niya, yung totoong kulay niya. So, it's all up to you if ipagpapatuloy mo yung connection mo dun. Since nakita mo na yung totoong intention niya. So, for your money, career, finances, merong offer. If you are in the technical side, no? So, is technician ka o kaya nasa technology, internet, IT, there is an offer for a business or career para sa'yo. You have the 8 of Wands. Oh, mabilisan to. So, pwede rin tong opportunity sa ibang bansa kasi kailangan mong mag-travel dito. At itong decision mo na to na kailangan mong gawin, mabilisan siya. Yung hindi siya basta-basta parang hihintayin mo kung kailan. Hihintayin ka nila kung kailan ka mag-agree. Or itong opportunity na to, mabilis na dadaan sa'yo. Ngayon kung hindi mo mag-grab, sayang, 'di ba? I also see collaboration, like merong nag-o-offer ng collaboration sa'yo, especially if you are into social media. Meron kang certain following na gusto nila i-endorse mo sila. So, it's all up to you if you're going to accept it. May I see a reunion sa family ninyo, a family member, mga mahal sa buhay, pamilya, na hindi nyo, matagal nyo nang hindi nakikita, nakakasama. Maaring merong pagsasama. You have the Six of Pentacles here. I feel like you're going to help someone. Meron kang tutulungan na family member na maaring may financial struggle. Oo. Or I also see here na merong tutulungan. So, pwedeng ikaw ay tutulungan ng isang kamag-anak mo na nasa ibang bansa para makarating ka rin doon sa bansa na yon. So, pwedeng doon ka magtatrabaho or pipetition ka ng kamag-anak mo para doon ka na mag-work or mag-migrate. You also have birth. So, some of you, this is about like literal na giving birth. Pero most of you, this is about a new beginning. No? Maaring meron kang susubukan or sisimulan. Ano to hindi to yung parang basta mo na lang naisip. Oo. Ano siya, project mo na siya, ginagawa mo na siya, inire-research mo na siya, tinatrabaho mo na siya. And I think this week, ito na yung time na ilo-launch mo na siya. So for example, you want to start a business. So hindi lang to ngayon mo gagawin. Kumbaga, dati mo na siyang idea, in-effort mo na, ni-research mo na, and then you are starting it, like launching it. Parang meron kang ipinapanganak. So this can be a new source of income para sa iba sa inyo. Bagong career, bagong trabaho, bagong sideline. This can be an opportunity na work from home. Justice is coming. So, justice is yung katarungan, no? If there's someone na merong nagawang intentional na pagkakamali sa'yo, sinaktan ka or, pinahirapan ka, so this person will receive the karma. And I also see you na mas malakas, mas matatag. You are also guarding yourself. You're not letting anyone to take advantage of you. Don't seek anyone's approval. Yes. So, ikaw ay secure, no? Naniniwala ka sa sarili mong kakayanan. Hindi mo kailangan ng opinion ng iba or approval ng iba because you are secure in your own way. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.